When filing for divorce, women have several legal rights related to the division of property, assets, liabilities, and custody of children. The specific details of these rights may vary depending on the jurisdiction and the specific circumstances of the divorce, but some common rights include property division. In most jurisdictions, property acquired during the marriage is considered marital property and is subject to equitable distribution. This means that assets such as the family home, investment, retirement accounts, and other property acquired during the marriage will be divided fairly between the spouses. However, the specific division may not be equal, and factors such as length of the marriage, each spouse's income and contributions, and any perpetual agreements may be considered, and it also depends on the state laws and federal laws. Asset division. Similar to property division, assets such as bank accounts, vehicles, and personal property will also be subject to equitable distribution. Debts incurred during the marriage will also be divided, including mortgage, credit card debt, and other liabilities. Spousal support. Depending on the circumstances of the marriage, one spouse may be entitled to spousal support or alimony. This is typically awarded to a spouse who is financially dependent on the other, and the amount of duration of the support will depend on factors such as each spouse's income, the length of the marriage, and the standard of living during the marriage. Child custody and support. When children are involved, the court will consider what is in the best interest of the children when determining custody and support. Yes, Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. It's very similar here in US as well. In most cases, joint custody or shared parenting is preferred, but sole custody may be awarded in certain circumstances. Child support will also be awarded to ensure that the children's needs are met, and the amount will depend on each parent's income and the needs of the children. It is important for women and men going through a divorce to seek the advice of a qualified family law attorney to ensure that their legal rights are protected throughout the process. It's also wise to talk to many lawyers before hiring one lawyer and settling down on one. I have done podcasts with Renu Gera, and she's a life coach and a divorce transition coach. She is going to talk about the process of divorce, how it was for her, her personal experience, and we are going to talk more about legal rights and bring more information and experiences to you through AwareNaari channel. Thank you for watching.